Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of Microsoft Excel challenge. Actually, this is a long journey. Every day you have to consistently follow this schedule. So, this is for your good only. So, actually, till now, what we have discussed is we have just learned how to convert a raw data into table. After converting into table, we have seen different kinds of filters and different ways of sorting the data, like from A to Z, Z to A, and all other things. Now, there is a powerful feature in Microsoft Excel which makes your work much more easy. Suppose imagine if you wanted to sort your data, or if you wanted to filter out your data based on the brand, so you have to click here in this drop down, you have to go here, you have to search something out, you have to select something, and you have to click OK. Then it will come. So what if you can visually see something on the top of the sheet, and if you can select something based on which the whole sheet dances to it? What if happens like that? So it's like, what if you can play with the data with the help of two boxes placed at the top of the sheet? So let us explore that option. Suppose click anywhere in the table, you can see the table design option top right there. You can go there, you can click here. There is an option called as insert slicer, as you can see on the top. You can click there. So there is these kinds of all the columns got appeared here. See, customer name is there, product is there, price is there, quantity is there, sales is there. So each and every column is presented here. Suppose for instance I am just selecting the column of location and I'm clicking it OK. So what has happened is, what and all the entries, what and all the data is there in my location column, it got presented here. So if I wanted to select, if I wanted to filter my whole table based on the particular location, for example, I wanted to see sales of Hyderabad, instead of going to filter, instead of going to location and filtering it here, I can just filter it here by clicking Hyderabad. See, as you can see, if I click here, the table will also automatically adjust as per the selection that is made in this particular slicer. So suppose if you wanted to see the data of Kanpur, you can click here. As you can see, you can see, if you wanted to see the data of Nagpur, you can click here. So this is how simple it is. So for example, if you want to deselect the selection, if you want to remove the selection, remove the filter, you can go here and click this. The selection will be removed, the table will be reflecting the entire data. Suppose what if you wanted to apply multiple filters on the data? For example, if you wanted to see both Agra as well as Bangalore related sales. So hold the control button, click Agra, at the same time click Bangalore. So then all this, here what happened is, instead of selecting Agra and Bangalore, what I have done is, here I have deselected the Agra and Bangalore. So here what it is showing is, all the sales except Agra and Bangalore it is showing. So first what I have to do is, I have to clear this. I have to click this filter button. Then I can select. See, I have selected the Agra. I hold the control button. Then go to Bangalore. I have selected Bangalore. So now see the data. Both Agra and Bangalore sales are reflected here. So this is one of the most beautiful features of Microsoft Excel. So now I wanted to filter the data by location. It's very good. Fine. Now I wanted to see the data as per the brand as well. I wanted to filter the data as per brand as well. So you can actually make multiple slicers. There is no restriction to it. It is up to you. I'm just creating another slicer for brand. So click anywhere in the table, go to the table design, then go to the insert slicer tab. Then you will be presented with different options. Now I want brand as a slicer, right? So I just click the brand. I click OK. So as you can see, brand has also appeared here. Now since it is occupying more space, I'll just adjust it by using these kind of circles presented out there. I don't know what it is called in English. So manually I call them as adjusters. So I just adjust the size of these things. I just located them here. So for example, if I wanted to see all my sales relating to the Hyderabad, so if I click Hyderabad, the entire sales related to the Hyderabad will be displayed. Suppose in Hyderabad, I wanted to see only the sales related to Apple products. Then I can click Apple. So this is the combination of Hyderabad and Apple. In Hyderabad, what are my sales relating to a particular brand, which is Apple? Suppose if I wanted to see what is happening in Hyderabad location in Apple brand as well as OSS, I can press hold of control and I can select OSS too. So this will show you Apple as well as OSS. For example, if I have to add even Gauhati to that list, press control and add Gauhati. So never get confused. You can see all the other locations. Here you can only see 2 locations, but you can access all the locations by clicking these kind of drop downs. If you click the down arrow, you can see all other options available right here. If you click this drop down, you can hear all other options available here too as well. And if you wanted to remove the filters on this table, just you can click here. Your filters will be removed. Suppose for example, by looking at this small data, this small visual, by making a selection is somewhat difficult. So what I feel is, if you click on the slicer, you will be given an option to edit those settings. You can go to the slicer option available at the top. You can select different types of colors available. As you can see from slicer option, you can adjust the color of a slicer. This is visually appealing good. So once again I go here and I select the color of these slices. This is not good. Green is looking better. So the another important thing is, as you can see, most of the space is occupied here. Only two values, data points it is reflecting. That is not good actually. What I wanted to see, I just make one simple setting. Go to the slicer. There you can adjust. There is one option called as columns. It is displayed at the top right corner. You can see all the data is arranged in one column. That means in slicer there will only be one column if the option is 1 here. If you select 2 here, the entire data will get divided into 2 different columns. As you can adjust this, you can see your entire you can see the full name of your locations. In the similarly, you can go to the brand slicer, you can go to the column option, you can click 2 here. Now you can see the full names. See, if you click the drop down, you can easily navigate and select whatever you like. For example, Hyderabad, Philips sales. So this is how it works. So if you wanted to cancel it, you can cancel it. The most beautiful way of presenting these kind of things is, you can actually paste it out like this. Then it will be good to make selections. You can delete these columns. So this is your data, and these are the filters available with you right now. If you wanted to filter your data, you can use this. Suppose if you click Microsoft, the data will show you Microsoft. If you wanted to see Microsoft sales from Chennai location, you can click like this. The data will automatically dance according to what you say. So this is how it works.